Hi everyone, today I'll be performing marketing and crafting. First, let's start with marketing. First and foremost, prepare the materials needed for marketing. To start marketing, you need to first combine or mix the compost or soil. Add water to mix the soil or compost. Note that you have to add the right amount of water. For the next step, you need to carefully scrape the stem to remove the slippery coating to prevent the wound from healing and reconnecting. This step is critical because if you do not remove the slippery coating, the wound will heal and a new bark will appear and the roots will not appear and grow. Just scrape about 3 to 5 inches apart using a knife or a cutter. Note that you have to do it carefully and gently. Mine looks harsh because it is in fast forward. Now let's go back to the soil or the mixture. You have to prepare the soil or the mixture by putting it on the plastic because we will be using the plastic to wrap it around the stem that we scraped. Now, let's proceed by wrapping the plastic with soil around the scrape branch. Note that you have to wrap it tightly as possible. The plant that I decided to market is called a snowball plant. It looks bent because it is bent by nature. We just used a straw to keep it straight. Now, let's look at the finished output of the marketing that we did. The next propagation that we will perform is grafting. For the first step, as usual, we need to prepare the materials needed. To start the grafting process, you have to prepare a stem to use as a scion. After preparing or choosing a branch or stem, you have to cut or sharpen the end of the stem or branch that you have chosen. You can use anything sharp to your liking to cut or sharpen the edge of the stem. We have to sharpen the end because we will be using this scion to insert to the rootstock. In order to insert the scion to the rootstock, we have to first cut into half the rootstock that we will be using so we can insert the scion. So now we can insert the scion in between the rootstock. You have to do it carefully and gently to avoid pressuring the plant. After inserting the scion to the rootstock, we need to secure the graft with plastic. You can secure the graft by wrapping a plastic around it or by using a grafting tape. In my case, I just used a plastic because we do not currently have the grafting tape. If you are not confident in doing this alone, you can ask someone to help you in doing it. Now, let's look at the finished output of the grafting that we did. As you can see, the plastic is tightly wrapped around it. Before ending this video, we have to note that you have to watch over the plants that you have propagated. That's all, and thank you for watching.